Getting started. 1. Listen and read.
Unit 5. Natural Wonders of the World.
Page 48. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
Hello. Welcome to Geography Club.
Sorry, can I come in? I went to the wrong room.
No problem. We're just starting now. Today, I'm going to introduce some natural wonders of the world to you.
Great! What's that in the first picture? It looks incredible.
Yes. Is it a red mountain?
Well, that's Ayers Rock. It's in the middle of Australia. Local people call it Uluru.
Can you spell that, please?
Sure, it's U-L-U-R-U.
Thank you.
It's not the highest mountain in Australia, but it's the most beautiful. Its colour changes at different times of the day. People think it's best in the evening when it is red.
I want to visit Ayers Rock one day.
Picture 2 is Halong Bay, isn't it?
Well done, Nick. That's right. What else do you know?
It's in Vietnam, of course.
Yes, it is. There are many islands there. This picture shows Tuan Chau. It's one of the largest islands.
How about picture 3?
2. Listen and repeat the following words.
Unit 5. Page 49. Getting started. Activity 2. Listen and repeat the following words.
1. Mountain. 2. River. 3. Waterfall. 4. Forest. 5. Cave. 6. Desert. 7. Lake. 8. Beach. 9. Island. 10. Valley.